I'm just here to make a special appearance.
Or if you don't
I
want
don't
to
want a
participate,
contract at all. I don't want a contract at all. I am a non-resident alien. Listen to me. I'm telling you.
I'm here for... No, ma'am. Can you state your name for the record, please?
I am the authorized representative of the all caps.
Welcome back, everyone. Today's case is straight up courtroom chaos. We've got a woman channeling her inner sovereign citizen, charged with driving without a license, and her defense: just deny reality entirely. She insists she's not a U.S. citizen, so the law apparently doesn't apply. That's like trying to cancel your Netflix bill by saying you don't recognize the subscription. Meanwhile, the judge is cool, calm, and just watching her dig her own legal grave one sentence at a time. At some point, it stops being a defense and starts looking like performance art. Let's jump right into it.
Janvier Sherelle Williams.
All right. And it's my understanding today that you don't want to be represented by an attorney. Is that correct?
Yes, I have power of attorney.
Okay. And you know that you have the absolute right to have an attorney. This matter is a misdemeanor before my court, so certain constitutional rights kick in. The fine is up to $500. A possible, I believe, not this one ticket is 90 days maximum in jail, potentially, in these particular matters. So when we start taking away civil liberties, there's a right to have an attorney. You understand that, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay. Ma'am, how would you like to move forward with this? Do you have current insurance, up-to-date and current insurance?
Actually, I took the car and I put it inside of the business, the trust, and I'm not operating the vehicle now because we need to do some more paperwork on it. I am in the process of rescinding all my contracts. I'm just here to make a special appearance.
Okay, so let me let you know. So even if you're making a special appearance on behalf of that, either you have insurance or you don't have insurance. And then you need to tell me how you would like to proceed forward. We can either proceed forward with the plea, you can proceed forward with the trial, bench,
As I understand the process, the judge, the county attorney, or the police officer has leveled the criminal charge with the clerk against the trust using the all cap name.
Ma'am, it's all the same. So whether it's all caps or lower caps, if it comes under your driver's license number and it's a registered vehicle to you, it's your responsibility. So my question was, do you or don't you have insurance at this point in time?
I'm asking you to dismiss the case with prejudice.
Okay, so I'm not going to do that because it's still an open case and I still don't have whether or not you have insurance. Has to be provided. Any vehicles that are driven, road, traveled on the roads have to have insurance in the state of Michigan.
Well, the clerk, who is the administrator of the CSTQ trust, then appointed you, the judge, as the trustee for the trust. And since neither of you can be the beneficiary, that leaves me. And therefore, you are my trustee. So as my trustee, I instruct you to discharge this entire matter at your argument of trial of judge will ask you. Okay?
No. So here's your options. You can either plead or you can have a bench or jury trial. How would you like to proceed?
She's treating the courtroom like an improv show and the law like fan fiction. None of it has to be real if she just believes hard enough. But here's the truth. The moment you drive on public roads, you've already agreed to follow the rules that come with them. You can't just opt out by declaring yourself an alien life form or a free traveler. That's not a legal loophole. It's just creative storytelling. At this point, it's less of a defense and more of a personality quiz, and she's failing it spectacularly.
Or if you don't want to participate, I don't want a contract at all.
I don't want a contract at all.
So if you don't want to participate, then what we do is the next stage is the show cause or capias.
So as my trustee, I instruct you to discharge this entire matter with prejudice and award the penalties for these charges to be paid to me and compensation, damages, or for all false arrests.
All right. So it seems like she doesn't want to participate in today's hearing. So I'm going to set this for a show cause on the date of July 22nd, 2024 at 8:30 a.m. If at that point in time, Ms. Janvier Sherelle Williams would like to participate in the hearing, she can return to court. Bond set at $0 personal. Have a great day, ma'am.
You as well.
May I have appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please?
I am here as the authorized
Our counsel,
representative of the all cap name. I am here to make a special appearance, limited special appearance.
All right. So
I'm a foreign entity challenging your jurisdiction.
This is where the courtroom stops being a place of law and starts feeling like a one-woman protest against logic itself. She's treating mandatory car insurance like it's an attack on her freedom instead of a rule to stop financial disasters. Meanwhile, the judge, unbothered, unshaken, is methodically dismantling her every claim with the patience of someone who's seen this circus 50 times before. Watching her double down on bad logic is like watching someone challenge gravity. Loud, dramatic, and guaranteed to end the same way every time.
So I need the actual person, Jean-Pierre Williams. So if you're representing her, I need her to be online as well. So if she cannot be online, I can't proceed with this hearing today, and she's going to be capious at this point in time.
Okay, so that all cap name was created by the state of Michigan for public and political purposes. Are you bringing suit to your own corporation? I am a non-resident alien. Listen to me. I'm
here for, no ma'am. Okay. I give you very specific things. This is a matter for no insurance for Jean-Pierre Sherelle Williams. If she is not present today, I'm asking you to this matter.
Okay.
Okay. So is she present today?
Do you have any interest in the case of filing a W-9 or a 1040 form with the IRS?
No. This is a traffic matter for no insurance misdemeanor. And if you're not Jean-Pierre Williams, you don't have any claims in this case anyway. So I need that person to appear, or else this case will be capious today.
I'm asking you to dismiss the case. Charges.
I don't know.
I am an authorized representative. I just told you I'm an authorized representative.
Do you have a P number? Because the only person who can represent someone in court is an attorney. What is your P number, ma'am?
I'm an attorney, in fact. Listen, I'm asking you to dismiss this case.
I'm not.
If not, I will put a UCC. I will lean it. I will lean it.
Quiet.
Jean-Pierre Sherelle Williams, are you present, ma'am?
And of course, here comes the phrase we've all been waiting for, attorney in fact. Every time I hear it, I know we've entered the legal twilight zone. They say it like it's a magic password that frees them from the court's authority. But newsflash, it's not. It's just cosplay with paperwork. Real representation requires an actual license issued by the state, not something you printed at home and signed in Sharpie. At this point, it's not about justice. It's about who can misquote the law with the most confidence.
Jean-Pierre Williams, are you present twice? Jean-Pierre Sherelle Williams.
To make a special limit appearance on the behalf of
Ms. Williams. If you're not going to answer the question she asked, and don't say anything.
I am here to make a special appearance, limited appearance on the behalf of Jean-Pierre Williams, the agent.
Okay.
So Jean-Pierre Williams is not present. Authorized representative.
All right. So if she's not present today, I cannot move forward because I need her present. All right. So there will be a capious put out on her zero bond until she appears before the court. I need to have Jean-Pierre Sherelle Williams appear before the court so that I can make sure I have the right person who has this ticket of no insurance.
Created by the state of Michigan for public and political purposes. Are you bringing suit to your own corporation?
Thank you. Jean-Pierre Sherelle Williams is capious until she appears before my court to answer to the no insurance misdemeanor ticket. Thank you.
All right, I've got to ask. Anyone out there actually siding with the sovereign citizen on this one? Or are we all in agreement that this was a masterclass in delusion? Personally, I think the judge handled it perfectly. She didn't get dragged into the nonsense, didn't raise her voice, just calmly laid down the law and shut it all down. That's exactly how you deal with someone trying to turn a courtroom into a conspiracy podcast. No theatrics, no shouting, just quiet authority and a legal mic drop. The truth is, these sovereign citizen tactics aren't new. They're just louder now. And judges like this one are the reason these hearings don't completely derail into chaos. She kept it controlled, structured, and educational. For everyone watching, including us. Honestly, if more judges handled things this way, we'd see a lot less of this nonsense clogging up the system. But anyway, that's it for today's breakdown. If you enjoyed watching another sovereign citizen self-destruct in 4K, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more daily courtroom chaos. Let me know in the comments, was the judge too strict, too soft, or just right? I love hearing your takes, and you guys always have great insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.